Hello everyone, myself Kalpana Chaudhary, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we are going to see the topic from 11th standard, that is nuclear chemistry and radioactivity. Let us consider the concept of isotope from this topic. Now first we will consider what is meant by this isotope. These are the atoms with identical atomic numbers, but they are having different mass numbers. Such type of nuclei are called as isotopes. For example, here sodium, its atomic number is 11 and that is having 3 isotopes with mass number 22, 23 and 24 respectively. That means if same number of protons are present and that nucleus is having different mass numbers, that means obviously the number of neutrons are different, then such type of nuclei are considered as isotopes. Now here in this topic we have to consider here basic concept. Now here the nucleus of specific isotope, we know that now what is meant by isotope. Now here if we consider nucleus of specific isotope, then that is called as nuclide. Now here we should know this is also the charge on nucleus. The charge on nucleus that is given by plus Ze, and that of outer sphere charge that is given by minus Ze. That means charge on nucleus is positive charge and charge on outer sphere that is negative charge. That means here what is that E? Here whatever this E is considered, what is that E? E, that is the magnitude of electronic charge. That is the magnitude of electronic charge. Now here the charge on nucleus is positive charge and on outer sphere negative charge, and so overall if we consider the atomic nucleus, if we consider overall atom, then that is electrically neutral because here nucleus is positively charged and that outer sphere that is having negative charge, and so both are get neutralized, and hence overall atom if we consider, then that is electrically neutral. Atom is whole electrically neutral. Now if we observe the masses of electron and that of proton, then it is found that mass of electron is negligible. Mass of electron is negligible, and that is found to be 1 upon 1837th mass of proton. That is mass of electron is equal to 1 upon 1837, that is mass of proton. And here the density of nucleus is considerably higher. The density of nucleus is considerably higher, and how much that is higher? That is 10⁵ times higher than the density of ordinary matter. If we compare the density of nucleus with ordinary matter, then density of nucleus is 10⁵ times higher than density of ordinary matter. And here the radius of nucleus is given by the formula R is equal to R naught into A⁻⁴. Radius of nucleus is given by the formula R is equal to R naught into A⁻⁴. Now what is this R naught? R naught is the constant, and that is common to all the nuclei, and that is having the constant value R naught is equal to 1.33 into 10⁻⁻15 meter. R naught, that is constant for all the nuclei, and that value is found to be 1.33 into 10⁻⁻15 meter. And here the volume of nucleus, volume of every nucleus of atom, that is given by V is proportional to R cube, where this R is nothing but radius of nucleus. R is radius of nucleus, and volume of nucleus is directly proportional to the R cube, that is radius cube. These are the basic concept from this topic, nuclear chemistry and radioactivity. Now let us consider the next concept from this topic, that is classification of nuclide. classification of nuclide, and this classification that is basis of number of neutrons and protons that is present in the nucleus of particular atom. Now here there are 5 categories depending upon the number of protons and neutrons that nuclides are classified as: isotopes, isobars, mirror nuclei, isotones, and nuclear isomers. Now let us consider first what is meant by isotopes. Isotopes means these are the nuclei of same atom, or these are the nuclei of identical atoms that is having same number of protons and different number of mass numbers. That means here same number of protons but different number of neutrons are present in such type of nuclei, then that are referred as isotopes to each other. For example, sodium, its atomic number is 11. That means number of protons present in sodium, that is equal to 11, and here mass numbers of sodium, that are 22, 23 and 24, and hence 11 sodium 22, 11 sodium 23, 11 sodium 24, these are isotopes to each other because these isotopes belongs to the same atom, that is sodium. Number of protons, that is atomic number, same, that is 11, and here number of mass numbers are different. Now here let us consider here second classification of this nuclide, that is isobars. Now let us consider here what is meant by isobars. These are the nuclide which is having same mass number but different protons and neutrons. For example, here carbon 6C12 and 7N14. Now let us consider here third classification, that is mirror nuclei. These are isobars in which number of protons and neutrons are differ by 1 and are interchanged. Number of protons and neutrons, these are differ by 1. For example, here hydrogen 1H3 and helium 2He3. Now here fourth classification, let us consider here isotones. These are having same number of neutrons but different number of protons, and hence they are having different mass numbers. For example, carbon 6C13 and nitrogen 7N14. These are isotones to each other. And here last classification, that is nuclear isomers, that are having same number of protons and neutrons with same mass number, or we can say that these are the nucleides with same mass number and which are differ in energy states. That means one of the nuclei that is having higher energy state, and here for example cobalt 60M and cobalt 60. Now here what this M indicates? M indicates metastable state. That means here nuclei with higher energy, that is denoted by here 60M, that is denoted by small m, that is metastable state. Thank you.